Hi, Nonna.
Hi, Michael. How are you?
Good. How are you? How are you?
Okay.
What do you think I should make for dinner tonight?
Right, okay. Do you like to make a steak pizzaioli?
Oh, okay. All right, I'll let you know how it comes out.
Yeah,
Okay. I'll talk to you later.
So first things first, take your thinly sliced beef chuck and season with salt generously on both sides. Sear your beef lightly in a hot pan with a touch of olive oil, just until they get a little bit of color on both sides. Once you sear all of your beef, you can transfer it to a plate and set aside. Don't forget to save all of these juices. Next, take your garlic and peel it, and roughly slice it. It doesn't need to be too thin. Next, take your canned tomatoes and just crush them lightly. Add your garlic to the pan and lightly cook it with some olive oil. Then you can add your crushed tomatoes. Stir together and let the garlic and tomatoes cook for a couple of minutes until they soften. At this point, I add a little bit of dried oregano, and then you can top it off with your seared beef. Let the beef, garlic, and tomatoes cook for about 10 minutes. During this time, the tomatoes will become nice and soft and saucy, and the beef will become nice and tender. After about 10 minutes, you can see the sauce has come together, and it's looking really good. At this point, I add a touch of cracked black pepper. Now I just top it off with some fresh basil and fold it in. Now serve it on your favorite plate, and make sure you top it off with a generous amount of the sauce.
All right, now we'll give it a taste. It's amazing. Classic, super easy to make, couple ingredients. Let me know if you make this recipe and how you like it. I hope you enjoy. Ciao.